find the computer room.
Good morning, world. Good morning.
Rusty!
Good morning, plant. Good morning, hammer. Hammer? Hammer! I can't believe my hammer's gone. It's who I am. It's like Sonic without his speed.
Or me without my fists.
Ah! Where are they?
They're on your hands.
Oh, thank goodness. For a moment there, I was as useless as Amy without her hammer.
Who'd want to steal your hammer anyway?
Morning, losers.
Eggman, you stole my hammer.
If I wanted a hammer, I'd make one myself. I was having such a lovely morning, and now you got me all worked up.
So what are you gonna do about it, attack us?
What are you gonna do about it, attack us? Nice going, Sonic. What am I supposed to do with my hands? Knuckles was right. I am useless.
What?
I can't help that I'm insightful.
Well, I guess we need to deal with this. Sorry, Egghead. Need to make this a quick one.
I completely understand!
Amy, your worries are over.
We didn't find your hammer, but we did find this crate of hand-to-hand combat weapons.
And the best part is, they're all unregistered with a serial number scratched off. I appreciate your help, everyone, but I called a professional.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Appreciate your help, everyone, but I called a professional.
In this modest, some would call tragically small hovel, I, Vector,
The computer room!
will begin my investigation of the case of the missing...
Computer...
Vector, what are you doing here?
Cut!
No!
No. You're excited that Vector's here.
Sonic, have you seen his show? He'll find my hammer for sure.
When did you get a reality show?
When they paid me big-time TV do-re-mi.
You should probably see an
Medic!
I'm here outside of the Vic's domicile, looking for clues.
I'm looking for clues too, and I can do it 50 times faster than Vector. Nope, nothing. That criminal mastermind left no trace.
Yeah, no trace. Except these prints.
A Meb Burger VIP card? I've never seen one of those before.
They're reserved for the cultural elite. We have our first clue. We're gonna need this palooka to name names. And unlike these soft drink cups, he ain't gonna spill easy. Time for the old good cop, bad cop routine.
I'll play bad cop.
This is my clam bake, and I always play bad cop. What's the skinny on this VIP card?
My partner wants to go easy on you. He believes your little tail, but something smells rotten to me. I don't have one.
How'd it go with Vector?
Dead end.
Maybe a TV break will take your mind off things.
It's a singing competition show where I, along with the wife of an aging rock star and some guy you've never heard of, harshly criticize regular people and crush their dreams.
Sounds great! You know what else sounds great? Surgery without anesthesia!
that weren't that dull. I tried watching that show last night. My TV pulled the plug on itself.
Whatever.
Ha ha! He can dish it, but he can't take it. Can it, Wolfie?
Move along, nothing to see here.
Whoa, look at that! Someone smashed up this comedy chimp sign!
Hey, everyone, you gotta see this.
Whoever did this must really hate Comedy Chimp.
These marks are from my hammer. So your hammer's become sentient and hates hacky comedy?
That's one theory. But my money's on Justin Bieber. After Comedy Chimp clowned him last night, the guy must have gone bananas. Which means he's the jamoke who pinched this tomato's hammer.
That's all well and good, Vector, but you're still missing one thing. Any evidence at all.
That's why I propose a stakeout.
We've been waiting all day. Stakeouts are never like this on TV. There's usually 2 lines of dialogue and then they see their guy.
Yeah, well, life's not like TV. There he is.
It must be some kind of conspiracy.
That sniper's a bloody He's taken hostages! He's taken hostages! He's taken
Useless.
hostages!
We're not
Useless.
hostages. We're a PINGAS club. We meet here every night.
A PINGAS club?
I gotta keep it on the clandestine, because if my vapid fan base discovered that I enjoy fine literature, they'd shun me. I'd be anathema to them.
His vocabulary checks out.
And so does his alibi. If he was here last night, he ain't the palooka that
Smashed
that Comedy Chimp sign.
Well, keep your d***s up. Tomorrow we'll go back to the original crime scene. See if we can't find another clue. Vector, I found something!
This must have been the gunner's vantage point. He was chowing down on this pie while waiting to cop that doll's hammer.
But who eats fingers from the middle?
I don't know, but while you were flapping your gums, I formulated a foolproof plan to find out.
A pie festival?
Now all we gotta do is see which one of these jokers eats their pie from the middle out.
Great idea, Vector. That pie festival was a bust. Only thing we learned is that our villagers ignore tip jars.
I didn't see you coming up with anything.
Who you calling f***ball, leatherhead?
Now, Wolfie, I noticed you weren't at the big pie festival today. We didn't want you to miss out, so...
Let's look at the clues. Who has a Meburger VIP card, a grudge against Comedy Chimp, and is continuously hit in the face with pies?
Old monkey!
No, the real culprit is somebody with a hackneyed prop comedy routine who could utilize an oversized hammer. Wolferton Teeth
PINGAS
Kid.
Hi-oh! Wait, what?
No, I didn't steal anything! Okay, maybe that joke about airplane food, but I'd never do this!
Oh, thank you so much! Nothing could replace my hammer. It's one of a kind.
Great job, Vector!
Yeah, but something that Scourge said has been rattling my chain. Her hammer is one of a kind. Why would he steal something for his routine that's so easily recognizable?
Vag, baby, you did good. You got the guy. Let it go.
Vector, where's your camera crew?
Things got a little dodgy and I'm flying solo. This thing goes much deeper than I thought. I need your help, Mac.
back to the thrilling conclusion of the case of the missing hammer.
Amy's hammer, found by me. But was the wolf really the culprit? Or was he a patsy? With the help of Sonic the Hedgehog, we're about to find out.
All clues pointed to Justin Bieber, but when he had an alibi, the clues mysteriously shifted to Wolf's sidekick.
So, who had a grudge against Justin and access to Wolf's sidekick's prop chest?
Hey, you're not the pizza guy.
Dixon was the hammer thief. He has a Mad Burger VIP card, as well as a motive to frame Justin Bieber.
After his failed singing career, Justin 86 Dixon as his manager.
But when Justin's alibi checked out, he had to frame somebody else. As a TV producer, he had access to the studio and planted the hammer in Wolf Sidekick's prop chest.
What do you gotta say for yourself, you mug?
Pizza's here, Dixon, and it comes with extra justice.
Looks like we make a pretty good team after all. We nabbed the real crook, and nobody got hurt.
Hello? Don't I get a phone